Mike Roland with the Roland Team, Platinum Real Estate Professionals, and today we'll be discussing Phase 4 of the 4-step home buying process. In the previous videos, go back and watch them if you haven't seen them already. On Phase 1, we discussed the home preparation phase, by far the most important one. That's when you're meeting with your agent. Phase 2 is the home search phase, where we're actively looking at homes. Phase 3 is the offering phase. That's when we're making offers on the properties that you're interested in. And Phase 4, where we're at now, is what's called a contract to close. Escrow is a non-biased third party. Their position is to handle both sides. They are not biased or leaning towards either side. They handle the funds, they handle all the disclosure signings at the end, and they'll make sure that you get title at the end of the transaction. Once we have an executed contract, escrow will be contacting you. They're going to send you over some disclosures. They're also going to send you wiring instructions. Wiring instructions is the instructions on how to make your deposit. What is your deposit? That's your earnest money deposit, EMD as well. That is applied to the principal of your home. What we encourage most of our clients to offer always 1 to 3% on your earnest money deposit. 1% being on the lower side, meaning your offer is not going to be as strong. 3% could be a variable that makes the seller decide on your offer. It all goes to the same place, so it's less money out of pocket at the end, but it does make your offer stronger up front. After that, we're going to order the home inspection. If you have a company in mind, go ahead and let us know and we can order that on your behalf. We also work closely with a couple different home inspection companies. They always prioritize our clients. They're fair, they're affordable, and they're extremely thorough. A home inspection usually is around $300 to $500 depending on the size and the age of the home, so you just want to budget for that. It's important to note with the home inspection, we are not really looking for nitpicky items, cosmetic, stuff like that. With resale, we're looking for major issues, plumbing, electrical, mold, foundation, stuff like that. Major high dollar expensive items. Next up is the appraisal. That's when the appraisal is going to be ordered by your lender to determine the value of the home to make sure it equates to the loan that you're borrowing. From there, an underwriter is going to clear all the conditions on your loan and issue final loan approval. From there, we're good to go. We have what's called a clear to close. Before we close, it's important to do a final walkthrough. Either myself or one of my team members will accompany you to the property just to make sure that the seller is actually moving out, the appliances are still there if that was included in the contract, and no damage occurred since our last viewing of the property. Very important final walkthrough to do, usually a couple days prior to closing. And from there, escrow will contact you to come in, finalize, and sign off on everything. It's a lot of signatures, probably about 45 minutes to an hour, so make sure you stretch your hands. After you're done signing, we will get recording confirmation. Sometimes it's same day, usually it's the following business day, but once we get recording confirmation, we'll be able to get you keys, you can move in, and congrats. We accomplished the goal. You're a homeowner. And that wraps up the fourth and final phase of the Roland Team's home buying process. This process, if consistently applied, results in you getting keys every single time. So if you're thinking about buying a home or even just considering it, reach out to me, one of my team members. We'd love to have a sit down with you, a quick phone call, go over everything, get you in touch with the right people, with the right lenders, and really get the ball rolling. My information is down below. Give me a call, Mike Roland with the Roland Team.